Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this Warping Point Phoenix Pickleball paddle with Tina Pisnik. Go ahead and take that out. It's got this nice cover here with the wrist strap. Here is the paddle. As you can see, I've got some great use out of this paddle. It has easily become my favorite paddle, and I really do enjoy it. Here is a look at how it plays. Here is some real in-game footage using the paddle. I really do like this paddle. I love the triple layer raw T700 carbon fiber face. That has a high friction coating and allows for great spins. Spins are very important to my game. You know, the ball looks like it's going to go one place and instead it goes another place and really trips up the opponent. It also has a sandwich construction with PP honeycomb, 2 centimeter TPE foam, and EFC cushioning for improved rigidity, stability, and explosive energy transfer. And you can really see just on the drives and my overheads how much power I'm really able to generate with this paddle, which is very important because it also has a lot of stability and control. So you want both those aspects in a very high functioning paddle. This paddle was co-designed with former WTA Top 30 and PPA Pro Tina Pisnik. So you know if it meets a pro standards, it's probably going to meet your standards, and it's designed to the highest degree. This also comes with some overgrip tape to go ahead and adjust your grip to your liking. Overall, I highly recommend this Warping Point Phoenix paddle in conjunction with Tina Pisnik. Thanks for watching.